how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First thing, guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to the Facebook Messenger here, click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on data usage, disable all these options here and enable them back again. Go back, click on force stop, and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds, and after that disable it, and then go back and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Messenger and click on update to update it. Very easy and simple, as you can see. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.